Today in this video, I will solve out one WordPress common error. This site cannot be provide a secure connection. This is my site. This site is running now. And when I access my admin panel, then this error is occur. So this site cannot provide a secure connection. For this error, I solve is easily method. Open your cPanel. Open my cPanel. Go to PHP my admin and here one table name is WP option. Click this one and here we see site URL and home is HTTPS. For when you try to change your URL HTTP to HTTPS, then this problem or error is show in your WordPress website. Okay, first change HTTPS to HTTP for both. And just site URL HTTP and change the home and save this. Okay, and refresh my page, login page, and now open my dashboard. This way you can solve your WordPress error. This site cannot be provided secure connection. Thank you.